Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix can't connect to server NBA 2K. Alright, let's begin. First, check out the NBA 2K server status to make sure there are no ongoing outages or maintenance periods affecting online services. If the servers are working normally, restart your game and reconnect to the internet. Next, test your network connection and make sure you have a stable connection with low latency. You can also restart your router or modem to refresh the connection. After that, update NBA 2K to the latest version available on your platform. Running an outdated version can prevent the game from connecting to the servers. Also, click on Start menu and open Settings. Now, from the left menu, select Windows Updates and check for any system updates on your PC, and install them if available. So that's basically how you can fix can't connect to server NBA 2K. Thanks.